set the air fryer to air fry 360 for 9 minutes.
Subscribe. Thank you.
I never thought I was going to get an air fryer and enjoy it as much as I am enjoying it. Actually brought it camping a few times, and some people might say, well, that's not camping if you bring an air fryer, but all the things you could make in it. So this morning what I'm going to do is going to cook some bacon, some hash brown patties, and the problem is how long you're supposed to put it in there, what temperature and all that. And then they say you have cookbooks and stuff like that, but there's so many different air fryers out there. So there's the racks up there on the top there. I went ahead and bought those, and I'm going to use that today and show you how that works with the bacon on it. And then the other one it's a dual drawer. You can see it's a Ninja air fryer, and I'm gonna go ahead and just show you that down there I also got the gloves, and I'll show you how I'm gonna use those, because those racks up there, when you take it out of the air fryer, are pretty hot, and how do you get your bacon out in between? Okay, so I got my hash browns in there and got the bacon in there on the rack, and as you can see, the rack on the bottom, which the hash brown still has in there. When you take the rack that has multiple levels, you got to go ahead and take this bottom part off. So go ahead and these have 2 different times, so it automatically will start. One has 15, one has 10, so after 5 minutes is up, the other one will start up, and it'll be done at the same time. Alright, I had to put the bacon in there for like 13 minutes. There's the hash browns, and there's the bacon. Now, how do you get that hot thing out? And that's what you got these gloves for. You can use 2 of them. And these gloves work pretty good.
This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.